This is yours, 15. Slam it in there.
Oh, this is better.
Just make sure your gun is facing downrange. Yeah. Rack it back. Yeah, you're good to go. Larry, move back a step.
Yeah.
Empty already?
No, it might be that dead one.
We'll just give you another one because that was a pretty short round. Okay, try for headshots. Yeah. No, you don't need to. That's okay. You're good. Good stuff. Okay, then just want to push that with your thumb. That'll fall right out. Yep, just kind of squeeze it. More on this side, like you kind of want to push it. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yeah, do it a couple times. Just rack it. Put your hand on the top. Rack it. Yeah, then you know there's nothing in there.
Okay.
You want to do some
Hang
barricades?
I'm gonna.
Let's try some barricades. Put your barricade out. You do standing and kneeling.
Oh, okay. Barricade.
So standing barricade is going to be like this.
Oh, nice.
We'll go to 25. So standing barricade, to qualify, you have to shoot standing, strong side,
Yep.
weak side, kneeling, strong side, weak side, and then you go to the back wall and you have to do barricade or prone shooting, and that's really, unless you practice a lot, that's really brutal because it is at 75. You have to load up. They'll say shooters on the line ready, ready. You have to get down with your gun loaded and hot. You get down and you have to lay down either this way, or this way, and shoot accurately at 75 feet, and it sucks. Sucks. But try some barricade. You just want to put your hand against it. If you push your hand tight against it,
Yeah.
when it shoots, it's going to bang your hand,
Yeah.
and it gets sore.
Okay. Over there, man.
Don't forget your eyes and ears. You'll be sorry if you don't. barricade. So you want to be hidden by it as much as you can, but squared off a little more. Like you want to stand like this. Pretend this is a full wall. You want to be behind it. So over this way. Yeah. You want to have as little as your body standing out as you can. And you might be a little close to it because you have longer arms. You want this part of your hand over here. Yeah. So you might have to step back a bit, but and then you just try and yeah, it's a different. Perfect. It's hard to then keep that center, eh?
Yeah. Here. My turn. Oh, to the head. Jerk that sucker.
How come you have your hand underneath that? Like that. You know what? That's probably why they're going up toward his neck.
What?
You should put it here. Otherwise, you're gonna.
How you come like that?
No, you were right like that. And you don't. I don't think you usually do that. But yeah, just this.
Ah, it's been so long since I shot.
I know. I don't think you used to do that.
Take a look at the left side of that boy's face.
No.
This is the last
What
one
left
I'm
side?
gonna shoot, and you guys have used the
There's
rest.
no left side.
What distance is that? How far is that?
35. My elbow comes out and I go left, eh? If I don't keep my elbow in, my elbow, you can see as my elbow's coming out, I'm going left.